And now it's time for a review.
So today I will be giving you my honest opinion on the Gourmia air fryer, which I got from Walmart for $39.99. So as you can see, I have blue. I have a kitchen that's designed with blue, sky blue, different hues of blue. Just picking up this product. It's very light. Gourmia. I hope I'm saying it correctly. I think I am. Here's the little knobs here. You can change the temperature. It goes from 250 to 300 to 350 to 400. Nice and easy to turn. No problems here. The dials are pretty easy to read as well. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out. As you can see, it has a little rack on the inside, which is detachable. This is where you will place your food. And on each side, there are vents so that it can cook evenly. I like that. Just pop it right back in there. Easy. I like this. Okay. So like I said, it's very lightweight. The inside you can see is hollow. So far, so good. So now we're going to be sampling fried chicken from Publix. This chicken is so good. I don't even fry chicken anymore because Publix chicken tastes just like it came from out of the hot grease made by your grandmammy or maybe your mama. Either way, the chicken is delicious. I got me some nice sized pieces too, and I cannot wait to dig in. So I have me some delicious chicken legs, chicken thighs, and chicken wings, and chicken breast. Normal size, not the injector stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and place this inside of the tray, cooking rack, whatever you want to call it. Get my other piece. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with the thigh. Doesn't that look nice, y'all? So I'll place it on there. I'm going to go ahead and pop it inside of the compartment, and we're going to see how it cooks. So once you pop it inside of the compartment, you want to make sure that you put it on a paper plate with a napkin once it is done to get up all that grease, which it shouldn't be a lot of grease because the grease will fall off into the tray. So, okay, I put it on 20 minutes, 20 minutes actually, on 350, okay? We're going to let this cook and see what happens. And you need to have the light on. Make sure that the light is on. Make sure the little indication pops up. It will turn red. Give it about maybe 10 minutes, okay? Come back and we're going to see what it tastes like. Okay, so our 20 minutes is up. I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out. Look at that. And a little bit of the grease is in the bottom. So let me take this chicken out. I'm going to still drain it because it does have oil in it. So it's not 100% oil free. It does have oil in it, but the majority of the oil went to the bottom of the tray. So I'm going to just place this on here, and it looks so good, y'all. And it has a nice little crisp to it. So I'm really excited about eating it. See that? The oil's in the bottom. So you don't have to worry about biting into drenched oiled chicken. Yuck. Oily chicken. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a little pinch. It's very, it's hot. Okay, don't mind me. So I'm going to get my eat on. Look at that crust. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, so this was a go. I like this. I really did. I really did like this. Give it a thumbs up, guys.